Welcome! In front of me I have Fitbit Sense 2, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch needs to be paired with your iPhone via the Fitbit application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. Now, we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for your iPhone and the Fitbit application to send the notifications to your watch. So, let's open the settings on our iPhone. In the settings, find the Bluetooth option and tap on it. And here you should see the list of my devices, and on that list, you should see the Sense 2 watch. Tap on the info icon next to it. In this menu, make sure that the Share System Notifications option is enabled. Once it is, go back to the main page of settings, scroll down, find the Fitbit application, and tap on it. And here make sure that the Bluetooth option is enabled. Once it is, you can close the settings. Now we can open the Fitbit application on our iPhone. In the app, we can tap on the profile icon in the top left corner. Here we can select the Sense 2 from the list of devices, and then we can tap on notifications option. And right here we can enable and disable notifications for specific features and apps like calls, text messages, calendar events. We can enable them and disable them by tapping on the switch. And if you want to do it for the applications, you can tap on app notifications. It will open the list of applications, and here we can enable and disable the notifications for specific apps. If this list is empty for you, basically you need to wait, because after you install the Fitbit application and you pair your watch with your iPhone, this list will be empty, and basically you will need to wait until it fills in, and it fills in when you receive the notifications from different apps on your iPhone after this app was installed. So after this app was installed, you receive the notification on your iPhone from different app. That app will appear right here on the list. That's how it works. So if you're missing the apps, basically wait, and it should fill in after a couple, or rather after you receive some more notifications. Okay, and once you find the app you want to enable the notifications for, you can tap on the switch next to it to enable the notifications. And how it works is basically, if you receive the notification from the app you enabled right here, for example Discord. So let's say we receive the notification from Discord on our iPhone. That notification will be forwarded to our watch. That's how it works. Okay, so enable it or disable it, then go back, and we need to sync our watch again with our iPhone. And to do it, I'm gonna reopen the application. So open the app, wait until it's done syncing. Okay, now we can close the app. Now we should be able to receive the notifications on our watch, so I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. And as you can see, we got it on our iPhone and also on our watch. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.